you need, babe. The only thing you've given me was years of heartache. Worked so hard while you was playing around, my gaming me like I was a fool. Never thought the one I cherished hated me. Realized the way you treated me, it was like I meant nothing to you. Sucker for your hugs and kisses, your reminiscing would make everything seem cool. You say that I'm the lucky one, deep inside you know the truth. It never has to be like that. Why'd you have to act like that? You never have to talk like that. Always made me feel like that. It never has to be like that. Why'd you have to act like that? You never have to talk like that. Always made me feel like that. Running away from me, baby, can't change anything if you haven't changed your shady acting. I know I've done the best I could. What good does it do? You ain't never gonna change your attitude between me and you. So I think that you should stop calling from unknown numbers and go be with that guy you said was only your study friend. Think I don't know what's been going on. I always have my eyes on you. Got you up in many places with many faces. Even seen you with that dude. Well, I ain't tripping over you, lady. I've been through. It never has to be like that. Why'd you have to act like that? You never have to talk like that. Always made me feel like that. It never has to be like that. Why'd you have to act like that? You never have to talk like that. Always made me feel like that. I guess I had to rethink my plans. No more silly demands. Don't know why it took me long to get over you. Time to make up for time. No more rewind. Forward to the future. Gotta try something new. Feels so good to hear some laughter. Close that chapter in my life. Gonna shoot for the stars. Finally pursue the finer things in life. Never thought that I would be free of drama. So happy.